So hey there and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will walk you through how to sign up for Amazon Associates, also known as Amazon's affiliate program. So this is a great way to earn money by recommending products you love. So before we jump in, let me show you the Amazon sites. Here you can see this. So Amazon Associates is Amazon's official affiliate marketing program. Once you can share affiliate links to any product and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. So let me explain. So that what is Amazon? So Amazon is one of the largest and most influential e-commerce companies in the world, founded by Jeff Bezos. So it was founded in 1994 as an online bookstore. It quickly expanded into a vast marketplace offering everything from electronics to tech gadgets, clothes, and kitchen appliances. Today, Amazon serves millions of customers globally and has revolutionized how we shop, stream media, and even we use smart home technology. Its customer support is incredible. It is customer-centric approach. It offers fast shipping, and innovations like Amazon Prime and Alexa have helped it dominate the online retail space. But Amazon is not just a platform for buyers, it also provides earning opportunities for individuals and businesses. This is one of the most popular of these is the Amazon Affiliate Program, also known as Amazon Associates. This program allows website owners, bloggers, YouTubers, and social media influencers to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products. It is simple. The affiliates sign up for the program, choose products from Amazon to promote using special tracking links, and earn a percentage of sales generated through those links. So enter your password and then you have to re-enter your password. Wait. Let me copy it and paste it. Then tap on create your Amazon account. So now log in with. While it is loading, let me talk about Amazon affiliate marketing more. To getting started in Amazon marketing, affiliate marketing is free and relatively easy. So once approved, affiliates can access a dashboard that offers tools to generate links, track earnings, and analyze performance. It's a popular way to monetize content, especially for those who regularly review products, write how-to guides, or produce shopping-related content. In summary, Amazon is not only a retail giant, it is also a powerful ecosystem that supports creators and marketers through its affiliate program. Whether you are a casual blogger or a full-time influencer, the Amazon Associates program can be a reliable way to turn your online presence into passive income. So first of all, you have to go and now you have to solve this puzzle like while you are creating a Amazon affiliate program account, you will go through these steps. So let me solve this puzzle, okay? So what should I do? Okay, it told me to choose all the chairs. Now tap confirm. Now enter the security code which was sent to your Gmail account. So I'm gonna add that with a few seconds. So here we go. Now it is asking for a phone number. You have to enter a phone number to complete your verification. So let's add a phone number. So then you just have to enter your phone number, and after logging in you will be redirected to Amazon dashboard. And it may ask you for your name, address and phone number. Then you have to confirm where you live and how you will be paid, okay? and then you have to describe how you will promote products, like select how you drive traffic, like social media, SEO, or blogs, etc. You can choose your topics or niche. You can also set your preferred store ID. This is like your custom affiliate username while you use Amazon Associates program. And lastly, you have to verify your identity. Amazon will send you a verification code via email or the phone number you provided while you created an account or logged in to Amazon. You just have to paste the code and click submit, okay? And that's it. Once complete, you will land in your Amazon Associates dashboard. This is where you will track your earnings, create links, and more. Now, let me explain in short that how to use your Amazon Associate link. So you have to log into your Amazon Associate link first. Wait. Okay, you have to log into your Amazon Associate links account first. Then you will be redirected to the dashboard. Then you have to go to Amazon.com, log in with the same account you wish to log in with Amazon Associates, like affiliate program account. Now you have to browse any product. For example, I'm gonna browse these products. This is a good one. Okay. Now you have to use Amazon site Stripe bar at the top of the page. You can use this site to log in to the same account you used, and you have to click on get link after tapping onto. Wait, let me find the option. Like, you can choose this site Stripe bar, and from there you have to search for the link option. Just have to find the link option and like get link option, then you have to tap onto it, then share the link on your blog, YouTube, Instagram, or wherever your audience is. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. So this is a simple one. So you must use Amazon affiliate program in order to earn a good amount of commissions. So that's pretty much it. You are now an official Amazon associate. Follow the steps I mentioned you earlier perfectly so that you don't make any mistakes, okay? So that's it. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and comment down below that what types of video you want to see in the future. We will provide that video as soon as possible. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you in the next video.